Happy St. Patty's Day. For many of us, today we'll be cooking up corned beef and cabbage. But this year, instead of serving up the typical boiled potatoes with it, how about serving an Irish favorite called Boxty, which are potato pancakes like you've never had before. To make them, we boil a good amount of potatoes until they're tender, and we drain them really well. While they cool, we grate some more potatoes and toss those into our potatoes that we've just mashed, along with a chopped onion, flour, and some salt and pepper. After that's mixed, we stir in an egg and a bit of milk. Now we spoon this into a hot skillet, and when both sides are golden, they're done. As a matter of fact, these are so good there's an Irish limerick that goes hand in hand with them. Boxty in the griddle, Boxty in the pan. If you can't make Boxty, you'll never get a man. Now I'm not sure if I agree with that, but I will tell you that these are easy to fall in love with. Maybe serve them with our mushroom onion stout gravy and dig in. To get the recipe for Boxty and the gravy to serve over them for St. Patty's Day or any other night, all you have to do is go online. I'm Howard of the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found an Irishman's favorite way for you to say, ooh, it's so good.